This video is going to go over what pointers are and an example of how they can be useful. It doesn't require any knowledge of any specific programming languages. Understanding pointers starts with understanding variables. When you assign a value to a variable, you're actually assigning that value to a memory location on your computer. And here's just a quick visualization of what's going on behind the scenes of a variable. Don't get too worked up over what the 1x02 means, it's just a memory location name, don't worry about it. We can put the memory location of the variable into a pointer, which is a type of variable that stores memory locations. Now, my first question when I was introduced to pointers, and I imagine yours as well, was, why do I care? While it has near infinite uses within programming, the first and most obvious thing that I learned was that it allows you to return multiple values from a function. Here we declare a function called myFunction and set its parameter to accept only two variables, which is what the function will take in when it's called. We will set the variables within the function to 4 and 5 respectively. Now, we try to return this and it just won't work. You'll get an error thrown back when you try to run it. This is because functions only allow you to return one variable. We can fix this problem with pointers. So this is difficult to explain, but whenever you input variables into a function, the function then copies the values and doesn't directly use the variables inputted. So any changes you make to the variables in the function are purely local to the function and will be lost on the function ending, unless you return it, of course. However, when we pass pointers through a function, it still points to the same memory location, as it's only copying the memory location over, not the value held within that memory location. This means any changes we make to the data stored using the memory location within a function are also changed outside the function as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and please feel free to like if this video helped you at all. Thank you.